time to go back home. Come here and let me count. There should be 9 child in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Where is the 9 child? Let me see again. Farhan, Affan, Jamil, Mehjabin, Suraya, Uruj, Sabrin, Safina. Then who is missing? Oh, I am so worried. Auntie, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9. You are 9 in all.
Oh, thank you so much. So the naughty child has come back. Good, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And what 8 again? Someone is missing. Uncle, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I see 9 children in all.
That's all right then. Come on. Farhan, Affan, Jamil, Mehjabin, Suraya, Uruj, Sabrin, Safina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What? This is too much. The night child is missing again. What a naughty child. Oh no, what shall I do? I am the oldest. Everyone will scold me. And I don't even now who is missing.
Hello everybody, coming back home. Let's go together.
Didi, there's a problem. One of us is missing. First we were 9. Now we are only 8.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But you are 9. No one is missing.
So that naughty child has come back again. When I count this naughty child runs away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See.
Let me. Yes, I see. And I also see one more child who forgets to count himself.
Oh no! How silly of me!